Hey, today's video is going to be my first ride with my new Akrapovic exhaust. I have ridden it once since fitting it. I just nipped out so I didn't vlog, but this is going to be the first official vlog so you can hear what it's like when you're riding the bike. I'm also going to include some flybys as well, so it should be a good video, hopefully. So yeah, we're just gonna go. We're going to Wales and it's currently about 4 degrees, so it's pretty cold, so probably gonna have a lot of backfires. Yeah, see how we go.
This is my first official ride with the exhaust. Hopefully you can hear me because it's pretty loud. It might just be like drowning out my voice, but who knows. What I will say first of all is I've had to put it back down to standard mode because in A it's ridiculous. Basically it needs a remap, which I did say in the last video. It's not running right at all, to be honest, so it needs a remap to iron everything out. But until we've get that done, I'm riding it in standard mode because it's just, the MT09 is ridiculously snatchy anyway, but with the exhaust and it not, the fueling being out, it's just ridiculous. It's like, it's dangerous if anything. It's that bad, but it seems to be a bit better in standard mode, so we're going to leave it in that for today till we get the remap done. The remap is booked for next weekend at P3 Tuning, and I think, where are they now? I think it's like Liverpool way, I can't really remember. I know it sounds bad, but I can't remember the exact area, but that's where I took my MT07 to be remapped, so we're going to go back to the same place because they're really good, them guys. I'm going to tidy it all up because it isn't running right at the minute. It's spitting massive flames constantly and it's just so snatchy, so like I said, it needs all ironing out. But today I'll just give you, you know, a bit of an idea of what it sounds like while you're riding. Running it without the baffle at the minute, so as you can imagine, or probably hear, it's extremely loud. A lot of people who have this exhaust on this bike do say that they end up putting the baffle in because it's a bit too much, so we'll see how long we last without it. I lasted without it in the MT07, so this is definitely louder though, because obviously I had the similar exhaust on the MT07, the MT07 version of this, and yeah, it was loud, but this is definitely louder, so we'll see how long will last. Oh my god, look at that house! What is that? I want to go. I want to put a bike outside. Wow. Welfare Institute. Again, I've had a few people ask, will this pass noise test for track days? Yes, with the baffle in it will, and that's why I chose this specific exhaust, because I know it passes noise tests, because that's something that's quite important to me, as I do quite a few track days in the year. That's one of the main things I look forward to, so I needed it to be able to pass. Quite a lot of people asking how this is compared to the Gixxer, and at first I thought, well, you can't compare them at all, they're nothing alike, but after riding them both I feel like I actually kind of can. It's just like naked versus superbike, and everyone was saying to me as well, when you give that Gixxer back, you're going to miss the power, you know, your MT09 is going to feel so slow and so on, but I can honestly tell you, this does not feel slow, because the way they both deliver the power is completely different. Yeah, it's a superbike, it has a lot of power and a lot of torque, but this, the way it delivers it if anything, it doesn't feel faster, but because it's so aggressive within the throttle, it's just like, I was out on the Gixxer the whole 3 weeks I had it, and then I took this out. I just nipped out on it in between sort of riding the Gixxer, and I revved it at the throttle as if I would when I got on the Gixxer, you know, give it a bit, and I almost flew off the back of it. That's not a joke, seriously. I crapped my pants. I was like, oh, okay, we can't do that on this bike. So while this obviously doesn't have the top end, it has that torque and that low down grunt, which is just crazy. And if you've ridden the MT10, you'll understand what I'm on about, because that's even worse than this. Obviously it was in A mode when I took it out. I've only just put it back in standard now. I've put the exhaust on. That was before I put the exhaust on as well, that I'm on about. But yeah, I almost flew off the back of it, and I was like, wow, you really do have to be careful with this bike. I get a lot of questions, is it good for the beginners? Would you recommend an MT09 as a beginner bike? And honestly, I don't think I would. It's too much. I've been riding a long time, a really long time, and I don't think I would recommend it, because sometimes I do struggle with it. It's just, you know, going over poles and you end up revving it, and it's just like, it's a lot. You just have to be careful with it. Exhaust lights, I just worry they're going to run out because it's so loud. I don't know about anybody else, but you know when there's drops at the side like this, I'm so like nervous. I feel like I focus on the drop, so I really don't like going fast on roads like this. It's alright here where there's like fences and stuff, but it really puts me off. You know when you target fixate on something, that's me. I just target fixate on the drop and end up going towards it. I just don't like it. I just find it really off-putting. So let me know if you also do that. I mean, it's pretty understandable. It looks quite dodgy, like, especially if you're going fast. You just think about going over there, it's a bit dodgy. Oh, little baby, don't run out. Oh, that's cute. But yeah, in the comments, let me know what kind of videos you want to see with like my MT09, because the thing is, obviously you can do like loads of vlogs and stuff, but if I don't want anything to talk about, I'm like, well, what's the point in the vlog? Like obviously today is, oh, he's loving his trailer. Oh. Today is about my exhaust and what it sounds like while riding. But if it's just like a normal day's riding, I'm like, well, what do I talk about? I feel like I have to have a subject to talk about to do it. Do you know what I mean? So if you give me something to talk about, or maybe not even a vlog, maybe if you prefer like sit down type videos, I don't know, let me know. Obviously I'll have a few more videos regarding like mods and stuff on this. Well, I hope, anyway. But yeah, just let me know what you want to see, because sometimes it's hard and people want to see, what people like and don't like watching. So yeah. So yeah, it's loud. I've been riding for quite some time now. I think about 2 hours. Yeah, dead on 2 hours. So it's loud. I haven't got any earplugs in because I can't bloody find them, which is really annoying me because I really want to ride with earplugs in because I don't want to damage my ears, especially when I've got exhaust this loud, but I can't find them. So if you don't wear earplugs, I do highly recommend them. I use the Auritech ones. I just can't find them and it's really upsetting. So I might have to buy some more, I don't know. But yeah, it's loud. I like it loud though because I do believe loud pipe saves lives. I know that's like a really cliche. Okay, last minute turning. Cliche saying, but I do genuinely believe that. 100%. Most of the time they don't see you, but if they don't see you, hopefully there's a chance they're gonna hear you. Oh, I didn't see his indicator then. Listen to it with the quick shift, oh my god! Earpon. What I will say, if anything, I might actually save fuel. Because I never wanted the short shift so much.